mini chicken samosa.
One 1.5 cups of maida all-purpose flour, half tsp of iwam carom seeds, salt as per taste, 1 tbsp of melted ghee. Transfer maida in a bowl. Add salt and iwam. Add melted ghee. Mix and combine well. Gradually add lukewarm water and mix. Dough is ready. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. For filling, take half cup of chicken mince keema, 1 chopped onion and green chili, half tsp of ginger garlic paste, salt as per taste, half tsp of turmeric powder, half tsp of coriander powder, half tsp of chili flakes, half tsp of garam masala powder. Heat pan and add 1 tbsp of oil. Add chopped onion. Cook on medium to high flame. Add chopped green chili. Stir fry. Add ginger garlic paste. Roast it. Add salt. Add turmeric powder. Add chicken keema. Mix and cook it for 3 to 5 minutes. Roast it well. Add garam masala powder. Add chili flakes. Mix them well. Add chopped coriander leaves. Give a mix and turn off flame. Chicken is ready. Dough balls are ready. Apply some oil to dough balls and roll. Roll a thick and small chapati. Cut in middle and divide into parts. Apply water to one corner. Fold from corners and join in middle. Press and seal in middle. Place chicken filling. Pleat from middle and join corners. Press and seal properly. Perfect samosa folding is done. Repeat the process and prepare samosas. Samosas are ready for frying. Heat oil and fry samosas. Fry them on low flame. Fry until they turn into crisp and golden brown. Flip and fry. Once they are golden brown, flip and fry on other side and fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Samosas are perfectly fried. Remove them. Samosas are done. Crispy and tasty mini chicken samosas are ready to serve. Enjoy crispy and tasty chicken samosas with imli ki khati methi chutney. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook.